Hello, it's Martin, and I want to unbox and review this Wave XL. So, as you know, I'll unbox it while we speak. As you know, I've been getting into my live streaming. I know I've not been doing it a lot, but I've been busy doing other jobs. And the microphone I have is good, but it's been powered by USB. So, and I want something a bit more essential than that. So, I picked up this thing here, and apparently, it's made by Elgato, so apparently they are really good for streaming, so that's good. So stay tuned, and I am missing one partial from this, so and I'm really annoyed, but that's okay. It didn't come in the post. So yes, I did pay for this. Elgato didn't pay me to play this, to review this. I literally so yeah, that's good. But it had features in it in the software that I wanted. So yeah, so really, so it works with Windows and Mac. I don't know if it works with Linux. So maybe it does, maybe it doesn't. I don't know. See when you do unboxings. Oh, there we go. We're in. So get connected. So what's this? Is that the USB? Oh, USB. So it's USB-C. So that's good. Industry standard now, and you get all the warranty guides. So that's good. I like warranty guides. Keep you safe. Keeps the company safe from suing them. That's all it basically is. So that's good. It's got a wee Elgato symbol. So good. That's the main event. Oh, what else is this kind of? I've never felt this plastic paper. It is plastic, but kind of plastic. Like, you never got plastic on. Oh, it's thicker. Okay, that's good. Sorry. No, sorry, I've never fixated with it. Well, that is cool. So it's got a rubber seat, so it doesn't move. It's upright, so, and it's got a really big dial on it. Oh, it's got a mute. So basically, on top of it, it's got a mute button, so that's good. So things at the back, you get your XLR jack, your mic, your headset, and your USB. So that is good. I like it. Oh, that's another button. I have no idea what this does. I don't know where it will start. And it does 48. So it does. So if you've got a I think it's phantom power. It needs. The comment's going to be weird. Going to correct me wrong, but it does do the. So basically, if you need your microphone powered, I think it's phantom power. But comments below if I'm wrong, and you can tell me so, because comments like to tell you when you're wrong. So it does 48 volts. So basically, that means is your microphone will have power. So that's good. So that's good to know. Because that was when I bought this, or looking into this before I bought it. Does it do that 48 volt? Because if you're paying, I can't remember how much I paid for this. The links to the description where you find this, of course. I thought it needs to have that. That was one of the things I wanted. The other thing was in the software side. So basically, as far as I understand, on the software side, you can like control all the dials, and it has a lot better window function on it than Windows ever does. I don't know why the Windows sound system, the sound dials are so bad, and it's got a Elgato now to say, right, Windows, will take over now and we'll do it all for you. So that this is good. So basically, if you're listening to music that is licensed, you can listen to privately, but then you could like give your audio people um non-licensed music, which is good. Or if you want to watch stuff and you don't want them to hear you, so it's all controlled by software, and this is the reason why I got this. So what we'll do is now we'll go onto the computer. I'll get this installed first, and then you'll get to see this at first look. I have never, and you'll see me set it up for the first time, and I'll play around with it for a wee bit on camera for use, but obviously I'll play with it more as time goes on. So really nice. I like it. Because if you get like a keyboard here and you want to do that, it's quite cool. So you can like go that. But yeah, I'm going to be streaming now. Wow. Okay. So what we'll do is we'll move on to the computer. Okay, that's me on my computer now. So I have downloaded the Elgato Wave XLR wizard on the website. Link will in the description. So we'll go for this wizard. Yes, that's basically all the terms. We don't care. Next. This is all in real time, of course. Hopefully this works. I've actually done a recording, like installing software. Keeps asking me for the drivers. Okay, I finally installed that software. I had to restart my computer, but that's fine. Never too hard, so let's get started. Select your monitor output. Add your channels. I have no idea what this is. Yeah, you can see me speaking. It's cool. Okay, so I get it. So complete. Music. Add. Game. And we could add. What could we add? We could add. Chat. I want to add another. Maybe. Okay. No idea. It's all set up properly. Cool. Hello. Okay, so that's good. Do I have any all licensed music I use. Let's go to YouTube. There's only one version I know would do it. Oh, I wish I was more prepared in this. I suppose sound beats. Oh, give me a second. It's an Alpha Gaming channel. Oh, Steve Beats. That's who I want. Videos.
Have I become a little too shy for love? I've been hurt before. All's fair in love and war.
So how do you
So
this to
I
this
snuggle
stuff?
up close to the shell I'm living
Put this out
in.
together.
And if I let you in, another round begins. No, I'm spinning in a vicious cycle. I'm scared of doing something I'll regret. Maybe this is right, but I'm still staring at your silhouette. What if you're everything I need? A fire in my heart, the air I breathe. What if I'm incomplete without you by my side? What if I go against my heart instead of confessing from the start? What if I miss out on the life meant for us? I need you by my side.
Should I be scared? The feeling's so different now. You got me floating here, a feather in the air. Oh, but when the wind blows, will I tumble or sail away? Or would you have me stay? And what if I escape? I know
I'm spinning in a vicious cycle. I'm scared of doing something I'll regret. Maybe this is right, but I'm still staring at your silhouette. What if you're everything I need? A fire in my heart, the air I breathe. What if I'm incomplete without you by my side? What if I go against my heart instead of confessing from the start? What if I miss out on the life meant for us? I need you by my side.
Okay, so how do we do this? I wonder. Okay, I am playing music, but I can't find out how to do it on here. So that's what I'm trying to work out at the moment. And I'm doing this in real time. This will not be edited. This is me figuring this out. So let's just keep that playing so I know what. Maybe it is playing. I have no idea. That sounds like it's the monitor. Unless it's in OBS. Still trying to work this out. Okay, so that's the audio. So called desktop audio, and I have no idea. That it? No, that's not it.
What if you're everything I need? Fire in my heart, the air I breathe.
Okay. So you get the idea. I'm just trying to figure it out, but I can't. Some. What I'll do is I'll find the YouTube link and I'll put that in one of the links below. You'll find it. I'll see if I can find where this link goes. So yeah, that's it. You can see the software. Let's turn you down a wee bit. So yes, back to the main video. Okay, so you've seen it on the computer now. So yeah, I think this is going to be a good thing for my live stream now. So it'll make my stream so much smoother on the sound side. So I will be getting a stream deck. I literally got an email from them. I got an email saying it's out of stock, but we'll be sending it to you as soon as it's in stock. So I said, right, that's good. So you'll get to see that unboxing at some point. So what we'll do is I'll get going and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.